Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video and Merry Christmas! So today we're going to be opening our presents. We're also going to be opening our parents' presents.
All of our presents.
All the presents here. And first let's start with the stocking. So our parents got pens and we also have pens in our stocking. So they are super adorable candy cane pens.
Yep. Guys, I want to tell you something. In last video, my sister bumped into me, and then I got hurt. So.
That was last Christmas, but
Yeah.
this Christmas, we have a ton of presents. We also have this basket filled with presents. I already did a video, and that is on my slime channel. Which
Yep.
You might be watching this on my slime channel,
Excuse me.
on my brother's channel, or on our vlog channel. So it will be linked down below if it's on our vlog channel. It will be linked down below. That's the main point.
Okay, let's go on to gifts.
So we're not going to show those gifts because the video is going to be huge. So we're going to start
with what? The sock stocking.
So me and my brother shared the stocking this year because we couldn't find it anywhere in stores. And when we would go to stores, like 1 or 2 times we forgot, and then the other times we couldn't find it. And we had another stocking from last year. This was from last year. We had another from last year, and we could not find it, so we're going to share a stocking.
Yeah.
These are socks. So the blue ones are my mom's, and I think because my mom wants the blue ones.
Yep.
So the green minty ones are mine. They're
Yep.
super fuzzy. I have another pair in here.
Yep, they're
But
super
they're from-
fuzzy.
They're from different companies and different, like, I got it from different stores, basically.
Okay, we should pick the next.
He doesn't know what it's in here, and it's his.
Oops. What the
These are your leather gloves. So we got these when we went to Burlington shopping. That will be on our vlog channel. And a little,
It's my
probably not
sister.
posted yet. I don't
It's
know.
my sister's,
No,
right?
that's yours.
What do
These
you
are
mean?
leather gloves to play in the snow.
I can't use these gloves,
Yes, you can. Those are used to play in the snow.
but I don't want these ones. I want the other ones. I already have those.
You have to play with the snow in this because those ones will get wet. So those are the first 2 presents in the stocking.
Yep, that's all.
Next up, we have my brother's present, which he got from school. We did not wrap it because we just found it like this morning. I saw it, and I'm like, this is one of your presents. It's not wrapped. And we didn't want to waste paper anyway because we were going to open it in like 2 hours.
And
so.
my sister accidentally paid it. That's okay.
But yeah, this he got in his Secret Santa at school. He gave like a game. It was like a high dive tub kind of game. I do not remember, but let's get on to the next present.
Yep.
The next present is this. My brother did not let me write my name on it. He was being so rude. But our dad basically bought it for both of us. If it fits me, I can still use it. So let's open it.
Hang on. We should not open it yet.
Okay. So let's open it. It says.
I want to rip it.
No, don't rip it. That's bad.
Okay.
Dun dun dun!
Wow!
Drum roll, please.
We're gonna open it when
It is the Neon Street rollers. So my brother got a present, which we already know. We already know that present. He wanted that present, and this one was way better. Our dad bought it anyway, and our dad said that I can use it also because it wasn't actually his. So this is our lunch bag. I'm just kidding.
now we're gonna use this one.
I have like
Okay, how
finger nails in there. How did you? Don't open it. Don't open it. You didn't say not present. And then there's like an eye. The other eye broke. It's supposed to be a reindeer. It resembles a reindeer. And there's the antlers. I was supposed to have pipe cleaners for antlers, but I couldn't find pipe cleaners. So let's get on to the next present, which is our parents' presents.
Yep.
Our parents have presents in that basket, but here they only have one present each. Actually two, but the pens count as presents, so.
Yeah. Okay, how can we open it? Oh,
Yeah, that's how you open it.
Yeah, because there's no holes.
Our mom's at work and our dad is doing something in the house. So we're gonna open their presents and they are fine with it. So we're not doing anything that's bad.
Whoa!
So we got perfume for our mom, so we're gonna give this to our mom.
This is just wrapping paper. We don't need that. That's just trash now.
We should recycle. What?
Oh yeah.
So let's get on to the next present, which is our dad's present. So let's be careful with the paper. You weren't even careful with it. You need to be nice to the poor paper. Okay, there you go. You don't need to rip it more.
We can just pull it out.
You know. That's what
Whoa!
So we got our dad this Adidas.
That you clean to your tummy.
What? No.
That you clean.
It has like deodorant, body spray, and then like stuff. It's
Yep.
just stuff. Our dad had this before, and he wanted another one, so we got it for him. I don't know what it is, but whatever.
Yeah, we should just put it away here. And the next present is this. Another one of
Whose is
mine.
this? No.
Mine. It's
No.
another one of
Mine. Remember? I'm just kidding. Yours.
It's mine. What? Okay, now we can pull it out. Pull it
There's
out.
actually Legos in this box.
Yeah.
But Legos are not his presents. It's still from the door. There are actually two presents in here.
Yeah, there's two extra.
This won't come out. Oh, it won't come out.
Yeah, it won't come out.
I have to rip this one. Sorry. Don't crumble it.
We can't crumble it.
So.
What?
It's up to
That's all. You dumped Legos out of that.
This is too much noise, okay?
Yeah.
So my brother got the Paw Patrol Mighty Race Cars.
No, Paw Patrol race car. And this is Chase's race car. I'm just kidding. This is Chase's race car, which will look like a
And then he has a rubber one.
Yep.
These are like for babies almost. These are like, it says 3+, so it's low-key for 2-year-olds or 3-year-olds. And he got them. I feel like the roller skates are more important, but he doesn't. He likes those better. Those are just for like babies. Next up is my present, and it's not wrapped from the sides because the wrapping paper wasn't that long.
It's a sign testing. It's a thing.
It is a thing for science, or wait, I think it's for like science experiments and chemistry.
Yep.
And so this is from Discovery. There were actually two kits there. This one is the extreme chemistry one, and the other one was like putty kit. I wanted that, but I'm still gonna get it, not for Christmas, but like I want it so bad. It's like it has like mini putties.
We're gonna get it for New Year.
So this one, these are all the experiments I can do with them. Like that's a lot.
And I can act like a scientist with this.
Well, I can.
Me too. I can act like a scientist. And
Okay,
there's
so
potions.
these are like some of them. There's like 5 of them. I'll share
And you
5 of them with you guys.
And
you can create crystal sculptures, color changing experiments, create glowing ectoplasmic slime.
whatever.
Love that. Make creepy worms, create fizzing eruptions, and more.
And
So
you
there's,
can
like,
create
40.
slime. You can keep.
Yeah, you can create glowing slime. I want to create crystal sculptures and the glowing slime.
Yep.
I feel like this is the crystal sculpture, I think. So this includes a lot. I love it. It's iconic. Next up, we have another one of my presents.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think I know what it is.
I know what it is.
Me too.
I actually knew all the presents because they were bought in February, but they're still our presents.
Ow!
And we had to share them with you guys, so obviously this is also from Burlington Court Factory.
What do you mean? It kind of looks this thing. So what is that? That's a...
Oh my god.
It's not opening.
Yeah, it won't come out. Come out.
Whoa!
So this you might think this is for babies. It kind of is, but it's kind of not. It says age 3+.
8.
But I basically bought this for the actual spray. I wanted to see how good it was because these pins are like, I'm gonna give these pins to my baby cousins probably. It's gonna be so cute.
Yeah.
Or since I do kind of like 2 braids, I can put both of these on both of my braids. That would be cute. I love Minnie Mouse since I was like a lucky baby. But this also keychain. There's also a keychain in here. And I think this is stickers. I'm not going to use those stickers. I'm mainly going to use this thing right here. I'm going to see how good it is. But yeah, that is that.
I think it smells
But
like...
yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See, we put like some stickers up there for Christmas decor. Wow. This is basically our Christmas corner. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And we will see you with a new video very soon. Bye! And Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And even if you don't celebrate Christmas, have a good holiday experience or whatever. Like whatever you celebrate. If you celebrate Hanukkah, if you celebrate New Year's, have a new year. Have a happy new year. And if you don't celebrate anything, then have a good day and have a good 2019 experience. And yeah, bye guys!
Bye!